So what can we get out of a 151 tin? Let's find out. I like these tins. Sometimes they show me love, and sometimes not so much. I like that there's 151 tins out there. That's, man, I can't get my finger under that. There we go. So we have a little card here. It's kind of cool. And we have 2 packs of 151. Let's see. Can we get the Zard? Wouldn't that be cool? Pull a Zard out of one of these? That'd be awesome. Awesome sauce. Ooh, shiny Psyche power. Voltorb. Grabby. Seal. Sandshrew. Frigid Band. Graveler. Those protective goggles. We're coughing. And what do we get? Oh, a NineTails. Oh, that's a cool card. Check him out. That's awesome. Wow, that's a great card. So what's in this one? Grass. Krabby. Seal. Wait a minute. I'm going to say I have deja vu here. Sandshrew. Dudo. Tarus. Ivysaur. Oyster. Cleavable. And Marowak. Okay, so that's it. Did pretty good. Not bad. Thanks for watching.